Uprooted. When I peeked out the windows in our new house across the Rio Grande, the lawns looked well behaved and boring. The grass grew obediently beside the clean sidewalks along the paved streets, each green blade standing upright like a tiny soldier. At first, what I missed the most were los girasols, my tall, unruly friends with their bright yellow petals and dark brown faces, always looking up at the wide blue sky. When Mommy came looking for me in the afternoons, I used to suppress my giggles as I hid behind them, those wild sunflowers. It made me sad to know that from our new home I could not hear their voices if they sang my name to the wind, and I doubted Los Girasols would understand me anymore, because now I was speaking a different language. I swallowed consonants and burdened vowels with a sound so dense the words fell straight out of my mouth and hit the ground before they could reach the river's edge. I was afraid that, with me gone, Los Girasols would turn away from the sun and blame the wind for not bringing me back. But it would not be the sun or the wind's fault. My parents had uprooted me.